Hello everybody, in this video we are going to see how plane lands at some angle so that it can prevent itself from the wind velocity that is very high so that a plane could remain on the track and it can't go off track. If it goes off track then the accident may happen. So preventing this helps parallelogram law of vector addition. So let's see how it helps. Let's see parallelogram law of vector addition. So parallelogram law of vector addition says that if you have these two vectors, for example, this is your AB vector and this is your AC vector, this is your AB vector and this is your AC vector. So we can say that the resultant vector will be like this, and this resultant vector will be equal to AB vector plus AC vector, and angle between the two vectors will be called theta, and angle between this first vector AB vector and the resultant vector is our alpha. Okay, so this angle is alpha. Now if we want to find the magnitude of the resultant vector, so it will be coming like this: magnitude of resultant vector is equal to square root of magnitude of AB vector square plus magnitude of AC vector square plus 2 into magnitude of AB into magnitude of AC vector into cos theta. So this is the magnitude of the resultant vector. And if we want to determine a direction of the resultant vector, so that for that we have to find a tan alpha. So this is equal to magnitude of B vector into sine theta divided by A plus B vector into cos theta. So this is also magnitude of A vector plus magnitude of B vector into cos theta. So this is our tan alpha. So if we get a tan alpha, so we can find alpha, that is our angle of the resultant vector, from the first vector. So in this way we can find direction also and magnitude also of the resultant vector. So this concept is used in the landing of a plane. Let's see how it is used. So what happens with the plane is that if this is your wind velocity and this is your plane's velocity, so the resultant velocity of plane goes into this direction. Because of this, plane will go off track. Plane could go off track and accident might happen. So for preventing this, the plane is landed at some angle with the wind velocity, for example at this angle, so that the plane could go, the resultant velocity of plane could go into this direction and plane will remain on the track and the plane and passengers will be saved.